It's the costliest wildfire event in California history. Estimates from Wells Fargo and Goldman Sachs show the Los Angeles wildfires could cost insurers $30 billion. The fires have destroyed more than 12,000 homes and buildings, turning entire neighborhoods like this into piles of ash. Thank you for joining us for Denver 7 News at 6. I'm Jessica Porter.
I'm Shannon Ogden. Glad you're with us. And Colorado now bracing for its own insurance crisis. Denver 7 Investigates found the insurance industry is now sending out a warning, and lawmakers are scrambling to find solutions.
Our consumer investigator Jacqueline Allen is hearing from homeowners dumped by their insurance because of wildfire risk.
The wildfires burning in California, fueling an insurance crisis there. The sparks are already flying in Colorado.
I have 5 neighbors in a similar situation.
For decades, John Wright has lived in this home in Silverton on the western slope. But last summer, his insurance sent him a letter of non-renewal, citing greater than average brush fire exposure.
We're not at a crisis point yet, but we're getting there.
Carol Walker, an insurance industry spokeswoman, says it's not if, but when Colorado will have another wildfire disaster, pointing to the Marshall Fire.
Will our insurance premiums go up because of what's happening in California?
While there shouldn't be a direct impact on premiums in Colorado because of the fires in California, there is a ripple effect.
Skyrocketing insurance costs were part of Governor Polis' State of the State last week, calling for reforms.
But we need to start somewhere. And we need to start now.
Several bills already in the works. One requires insurers to give homeowners, communities, and the state more information about modeling used to set rates and how to mitigate wildfire risk scores.
It sounds like this is about transparency.
Exactly. We want the insurance companies to tell us in plain terms what we are doing and what they expect us to do, so that way we can be on the same page and have the risk reduced.
Another bill would create a state-run program to help offset losses in huge disasters, like the Marshall Fire.
It's important that when we have catastrophic loss events, which may be hard to predict, that we have state mechanisms in place that can help to reduce the costs for homeowners and for the insurance market.
2 years ago, Colorado also passed the FAIR plan to provide insurance for people who can't get it, and that's set to launch this year.
I just can't make this consume my whole life.
John says he found several insurers had mistakenly placed his home miles away in the forest instead of in city limits where he actually lives. But his premiums still increased drastically. Like so many others, he's hoping these proposed solutions at the Capitol will take some of the fuel out of the insurance crisis. Jacqueline Allen, Denver 7 Investigates.
And Denver 7 has reported extensively on the insurance issues that Marshall fire victims have faced, including not receiving financial help quickly enough. After the fire, lawmakers pushed through a law that requires insurance companies to pay disaster victims at least 65% of what they lost within 30 days. Now, previously, insurers only had to pay 30% up front. That law, signed in 2022, also streamlined the claims process after natural disasters like wildfires.
Our parent company, EW Scripps, has set up a relief fund for victims of the Southern California wildfires. Scan the QR code to give or text Scripps to 50155. Every dollar you donate goes directly to those impacted by these devastating fires.